and welcome to DWU, the Queen of Random. Today I want to show you how to make gift bags from wrapping paper. If you're stuck at home and you can't get out, but you do have wrapping paper and you don't have any gift bags, this is a quick and simple, easy way to make some gift bags for yourself. All you need is wrapping paper, any kind of wrapping paper, some tape, some scissors, and some kind of ribbon. Also, a handy hole punch. If you don't have a hole punch, then just poke a hole in the top of the bag and we'll make it work. All right, so let's start with the wrapping paper. So you just want to take a piece of your wrapping paper and you want to kind of judge how big you want to make your bag. So you just want to cut a fairly good size paper. You want to take the top part of your paper and fold it over, creasing the top of your bag. Then you want to move it to the side and fold this one side over. Turn it around. Just put something on it to weigh it down. And then you want to take the other side, make a fold, a little fold, probably about an inch, just to make this one edge a little bit nicer. Now you want to take this and fold it over. Remove that item. Now, here, if you want to make your bag a little bigger, you don't have to tape it right here. You can tape it here, and this will also give your bag a wider bag. But if you want it smaller, you can make it smaller. You can adjust it to where you'd like it. So we're just going to fold it about there. So then you fold it all the way down. So if you notice, this is the bottom, and we didn't do any folds on the bottom. This is the top, where we folded the top part in. So now you just want to tape along the seam here. You can just start from one end and tape all the way down. I'm gonna fold it this way. So this is your bottom and this is your top. You wanna fold around 3 to 4 inches. Again, this also depends how big you want your bag. So if you're folding it smaller, your bag bottom won't be as big. If you're folding it larger, your bag bottom will be larger. So you want to fold the bottom just like that. Now, what you want to do is prop that up and then push your corners in. And fold that straight down, so that the side that was over here is now right down the center of the bottom of your package, of your bag. Fold that in as well and do the other side. Kind of creates a diamond or square shape on the bottom of your bag. Now you can tape this if you want to. It'll give you extra strength. You don't have to, but we're gonna tape it. Again, depending on the size of your bag, you can fold it in tighter or you can fold it in a little bit less. So we're gonna fold it about there. Kind of meeting the middle of, fold it in where the center of the fold is on the bottom of the bag. And then you fold in the other side just the same. Now you want to go and tape all those sides down. If you have a little bit extra, just fold it over. It'll be okay. And there you go. You made the bottom of your gift bag. As you can see, it folds down. So now you just want to take the top and fold it over. 2 inches, an inch, 3 inches, depending how big you're making your bag. As you can see right there. You just folded it over about 3 inches. You can take your scissors and poke a hole so we can thread some ribbon in. So we're just going to make 2 holes here. So now you have 2 holes. Then you want to put your gift inside and fold it over. So now you want to take your ribbon, cut any size of length of ribbon that you want, and string it from front, because you want the bow on the front side of your package, so you want to start on the front, and just string it through the hole. And then back to the front side. So there's the back. You can see the fold. And here's the front. So then you just want to tie a bow. And there you go. Gift wrapping package from Gift Wrap at home that you already have. So you don't have to go out and buy a gift bag for any event that you have to go to, either a wedding, a birthday, any kind of party. It's very handy to just be creative and do it yourself. Well, thanks for joining. If you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe. Click the notification bell for all new videos, and we'll see you later. Bye!